In this video, wet things, dusty things and oily things. That's, ooh, there's no difference. Pens or pencils or any sort of marking device used in the workshop or for DIY, thousands of different designs, but let me show you the ones that I've just bought. Hello sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. But first of all, retractable pencils. I bought a pack of these a while ago. I thought I'd give them a try. I don't think I'll bother again. It's a question to you guys actually. Do yours break really easily? Or is it me just being very, very heavy-handed? Now that's out quite a bit and that'll break. Ooh, just have to touch it. And it breaks. I think it's me being heavy-handed. Quite nicely with them. But whenever I'm marking something out, I just seem to break them all the time. I just think it's me being heavy-handed. But I just wanted to get your opinion on them. Comes with a rubber on the end. So I just stick to those, the good old-fashioned pencil. Or these, the retractable pencil, but the lead is so much thicker. I did a video on this quite a while ago, actually, which sort of comes on to something else I've bought. I'll show you in a sec. Oh, and they also come with a pencil sharpener, which is handy. Right, let me show you what I bought. First of all, the humble pen. I bought a pack of these. I've had these before. Zebra. 8 in a pack. £2.50 on Amazon. There's a deal on at the minute. And I bought these probably, it might have been 2 years ago when I bought them last time. But they have lasted and lasted and lasted. Get one out. Oh, anything there we need to know? Z-grip. Don't know what that means. What does Z-grip mean? Anyway, come with a little clip on the side, of course, and then just in and out. It's a rubber surround at the end there. Nice to grip. Use it for obviously writing and making notes. And I'm sometimes using it for marking out as well. But yeah, I like them, so I thought I'd tell you about them. Next, who has ever seen these before? Marxman, professional marking tool. I've been after getting one of these for a while. I think they're going to work well. I've not tried it out yet. It takes me back to this, because I can push this lead out a lot further. If I drill a hole in some wood and I want to drill into the wall, I want to be able to mark it, I can push that lead out and mark it. But there's only a certain amount I can go out to. But these actually squirt some bright ink through the hole. We'll try that out in a sec. Also got another one. Now this one, if you notice, it's got a black cap. This is chalk. When I mark something with the ink and I get it wrong, then I've got to get rid of the green mark. And I think with this one, you can wipe the chalk off. I think, let's give it a go. Piece of wood, drill. That'll do. It's not even straight. Doesn't matter, it's a quick test. But shall we put something at the back? Let's put a bit of paper at the back. Let's do it on the black first. So I think it's ready to go, is it? Oh, no, look. You have to move it across there so it goes in. So that locks it off there. Ooh, squeak. And then squirt it in there. Right, let's give it a go. Straight in. Ooh. There it is. It's done the job. Now that's probably, what is it, 40 mil-ish? I don't know what it goes up to. What does it go up to? Let me find out. Just checked it out and it actually says 45 mil. See what the thickness of this is. Oh, 40 mil. So yeah, it goes through quite easily. But by the looks of it, I'd have thought that goes through more. Let me get some paper. Bit of card instead. Right, so that's 40 mil. Ooh. Ooh, is it there? Oh, there's a bit in the way. Right, try again. Whoop. There it is, you can see it. Here it is. Right, let's try it with the chalk one. I think it's chalk. Yeah, it is chalk, but it's a bit of, there's a bit of debris in there. Better. Right, let's try it with the chalk one. Lock it off, or not unlock it. There we go. Stick it in the hole. Oh, it's green. Or is it chalky green then? Right, so try again. So that's chalk, I think. So it should wipe off. Let's see what the difference is. So that's that one. Put the other one next to it. Beep. So that's the chalk one. That's the, whatever it is, ink. I think it's probably dried. Oh yeah, comes off, look. Almost. What does that one do? Let it dry a bit. What's the difference? There's no difference. The difference being the black one has got 50 mil to 100 mil thick, and then the green one is 50 mil thick. So why buy one of each when I can just buy one? Has that got less in there? Don't know. Probably should have done my own work a bit more on them, actually. Because they wipe off. Yeah. So the difference being that does 50mm to 100mm, and that one does up to 50mm. I had a quick look just to see if I'm getting anything wrong, but it just appears that is the case. That does the deep holes, that does the shallow holes. Then that's it. I'm just wondering if the black one runs out quicker. If you know, please put a comment below. Helps me and others. Let's do this. Gotta do it. Ooh! Proper shutout that did. What was that? 4 inches away? Yeah, it splatters. Let's go a bit close. I'm wasting it, I know, but what's that? So that's, let's say, 4 inches. Let's do it 4 inches away. That's what it did. The splodge. Let's do it from 4 inches away with the black one. Oh, yeah. That's why, look. Fires it further. Anyway, next. Talking about how thick something is, I think that's me. Again, I didn't read something I should have, and it appears they're both chalk in green, but one fires further than the other. These were £11.90 on Amazon for the pair. I'll put a link below, as I will with everything else. Next. Now, I saw these on a couple of YouTube channels. I saw it on Shadow Foam, also Scoutcrafter. Now, he picks them up, and I instantly was impressed by them. The reason being, they're clog resistant. You can leave the cap off for quite a while. You could use them on rough surfaces, because I think they've got an acrylic nib. It writes on dust, wet, and oily surfaces. We're going to have to try that out. So made by Milwaukee, and they're Inkzall job site markers, 4 in the pack. I think there's an offer going on with these on Amazon, and there was £7.62. Put the link below. 72-hour cap off life, a lanyard hole, anti-roll system, hard hat clip. Fine point black permanent. Let's take one out. Oh yeah. Out the pack, anti-roll. Yeah, it comes to a stop. Because of course there's the lid, but also there's this little notch at the back there. It's got a nice feel to it. It's got plenty of grip on it. And it's got a hole there through the top, so you can put a lanyard through. You know, put it around your neck or put it on a belt or something. Quite a big clip on there as well on the lid for clipping it onto a pocket or a hard hat. Ooh, a nice nib on it, look. Acrylic nib. Leave it for 72 hours and see what happens. I ain't got time. You could use it on rough surfaces like OSB. Use it on concrete, metal, plastic, plywood, wood, pretty much anything. And the nib apparently doesn't mushroom. Let's try writing with it. Oh, that feels good. Subscribe if you're new here. Obviously it comes through the other side because it's permanent. Compare it to a Sharpie. I can't find a Sharpie. I've just found me cheap brand big fat end marker. Yeah, look at the difference. Much finer. It seems more black as well, if that makes sense. I want to try it out on some wet things, dusty things, and oily things. Let's do that. Try it on that piece of wood. So, normal line. Glides well. Right. What oil should we spray on there? Multi-use 3-in-1 oil on there. Let's get some more on there. Just don't mess about. There we go. I might have gone too much, but never mind. Oh, look at that. And that's drenched in it. It's still putting a line through it. I mean, I think I've probably gone over the top, but it's drawing lines still. Let's do the other side with some water. Just clean it off a bit. Yeah, it's gone a bit. Yeah, it's coming back. Back to black. Right, water. Without me sprayer. Certainly wet. Oh yeah. I mean, that's soaking. Probably don't want it soaking. Yeah, it works. So that's good if you're working outdoors and working in the rain, you need to mark something. At least you know it's going to do the job. Back to black. Nice. Use this again. Dusty things. Is there anything in here? Oh yeah. That'll do. Push it about a bit. Right, let's just try it through the middle of that. Yeah, just parts the way. I think that's what it means by dust. Sawdust. Nice. Yeah, my new favourite marker pen. Pack of 4, £7.62. Next. Made a right mess here. As you know, I like my black disposable gloves. Well, I've stocked up. I bought another 100 of them from Amazon. And to celebrate, I put them on both hands today. These are the Nitrile disposable gloves. Powder-free, latex-free, 100 in a box. Nothing to do with pens, but I thought I'd show you. Much better feel than my last ones I had. Seems strong, cling to your hands really well. And I've only had one rip so far, and I've been using them quite a bit. Now, I've took some out because I normally put them in here. Got it off my good friend Brett from Useless to Useful channel. Check him out. He makes these. He makes all manner of things out of these, out of gas canisters. You shove them in the top and then pull them out from the bottom. So I've shoved a load in there. So these are made by Pearl, obviously in black. Tape I've had to put on here, look. So they put the sticker for delivery right over the top of where the hatch is. Why can't you put it somewhere else or put it in a bag first? Anyway, size large, 100 gloves, and they were £5.39 on the Black Friday offer, and I think it's still on there. I'll put the link below. I had this sort of style many years ago, and they lasted me well, so well happy with them. This time I got left hand and right hand in the box. So I go from laser cutter engravers, which I did in my last video, you might have seen it, Creality Falcon 2 Pro, to pens. But that is what this channel was all about. Mix it up a bit. Things we get up to in our sheds and workshops. If you want to look at any other tool reviews from our workshop shed, I'll put it on the screen somewhere now. If you're new here, subscribe. Got loads more videos to come. But thanks for watching. Take care. And remember, keep calm and head to the shed. Cheers. See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.